3, 2, 1, ready, start. Over the past 10-11 years, India has strengthened its foundation in every sphere. This period has become a strong cornerstone for India's rapid journey towards becoming Viksit Bharat by 2047. Honorable members, Baba Saheb Ambedkar always laid emphasis on equality and social justice. Our constitution also inspires us in the same spirit. Social justice means every citizen gets to exercise full rights and without any discrimination. My government is fully committed to social justice in its true sense. As a result of this, 25 crore citizens have overcome poverty during the last decade. During the third term of my government, the campaign to empower the poor has moved forward with greater momentum. During the last decade, 4 crore Pakka houses have been built for the poor. Possession of 32 lakh new houses has been given to the poor during the last year. During the 5 years of Jal Jeevan Mission, 12.5 crore new households have been provided piped water. During the last year, tap water connections have reached about 1 crore new households. Through the Ujjwala Yojana, till date, more than 10 crore households have been provided with LPG connections, and this campaign has progressed at a rapid pace during the last year. My government is institutionalizing transparency and honesty in systems. In the last 1 year, my government has provided benefits worth more than 6.75 lakh crore rupees directly to the beneficiaries through direct benefit transfer. Honorable members, my government is working with full sensitivity for all Dalits, backward classes, marginalized and tribal communities. The vision of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas is bringing positive change in the lives of all citizens of the country. At the beginning of 2014, social security schemes could reach only 25 crore citizens. With continuous efforts of my government, about 95 crore Indians have social security cover today under the Ayushman Bharat Yojana, started for the poor patients. More than 11 crore free medical treatments have been given in the hospitals across the country till last year. During the last year alone, 2.5 crore poor patients have received free medical treatment under this scheme. During the last almost 1.5 years, Vaya Vandana cards have been issued to approximately 1 crore senior citizens. With the help of these cards, nearly 8 lakh senior citizens have received free treatment as inpatients in hospitals. Today, with the help of 1,80,000 Ayushman Arogya Mandirs set up across the country. Patients are assured of receiving medical treatment closer to their homes. My government has fought a decisive battle against major diseases. Screening of more than 6.5 crore citizens has been done under the Sickle Cell Anemia Elimination Mission. This has helped in controlling this disease in several tribal areas. Campaigns carried out in mission mode have led to effective control over diseases such as Japanese encephalitis. In many less developed and rural areas of Uttar Pradesh, effective prevention of this disease has been ensured. It is a matter of pride that the World Health Organization has declared India free from the eye disease trachoma. My government is also committed to providing insurance cover to every citizen. The Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana have a crucial role in this effort. Through these schemes, crores of citizens who need support have received insurance coverage. Under these schemes, claims exceeding 24,000 crore rupees have also been disbursed. These schemes have provided help to crores of poor people in crisis situations. Honorable members, I feel a sense of satisfaction to see that the youth, farmers, workers, and entrepreneurs of our country are continuously expanding their role towards building Viksit Bharat. The encouraging statistics of the last year testify to this. In the last year, India has achieved a record production of over 350 million tons of food grains. With a production of 150 million tons, India has become the largest rice-producing country in the world. Our country has also become the second largest fish producer globally. It reflects the nation's success in the blue economy. In the field of milk production as well, India is known as the most successful country in the world. This is the result of the strength of cooperative movement. The country's manufacturing sector has also shown record growth during this period. In a field like that of mobile manufacturing, India has now become the second largest country in the world. In the first 5 months of 2025-26, India's smartphone export has crossed 1 lakh crore rupees. This year, India has started exporting electric vehicles to more than 100 countries. Honorable members, my government is becoming successful in building a system free from corruption and scams. As a result, every single rupee of the taxpayers is being spent on the development and welfare of the country. Today, India is making unprecedented investment in modern infrastructure.